hurricane warning, a storm surge watch is in effect, and a hurricane watch has been upgraded to a hurricane warning for the following counties. In Florida, Indian River, Martin, Northern Brevard, Southern Brevard, and St. Lucie. The forecast for the Daytona Beach NOAA Weather Radio listening area.
There's gonna be more.
High current risk in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Today, partly sunny with isolated
That's gotta be
showers
the
and
shortest
thunderstorms.
warning I've ever gotten.
Highs in the lower 90s. Southwest
Holy
5 to 10
shit.
miles per hour, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index readings 100 to 105. Tonight,
You got more?
partly
Is there
cloudy.
more?
Lows in the upper 70s.
Yes,
Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, partly sunny.